holy fuck. Holy shit. Just picked up the parts, guys. We're heading over to 412 Motorsports. They are the ones who are going to be doing the install. I'm super excited. It's finally time to go lower. So just arriving at 412 Motorsports. They always have some crazy shit going on here. A bunch of BMWs. You know, that's why, one of the reasons why I come here, because you know their specialty is BMW. So here they are, guys. KW. Obviously had to go with the best if I was gonna do adjustable springs. Part numbers and stuff's right there. Yeah, we're gonna start installing these next, guys, and let's see how it goes. So we just put the car on the lift. Right now we're gonna start by taking all the wheels off. Obviously you have to take them off if you're gonna do any type of suspension upgrades. Super sick. Check them out. That's the part number. If you guys are interested in doing these are the ones I'm gonna be doing. That's just bulletproof.
These are the tools.
Those are the tools?
Spanner wrench.
Oh yeah.
Oh, adjust them.
Oh shit. They're nice. Yeah. So this is the owner's F80. The way he sits is like perfect. If I had an F80, this is exactly how I would do it. But check it out. He's got the APR wing, nice 3-piece diffuser. This fitment is like perfect. He has a nice Meaty tire setup. What are these? Damn, he's running 18s. So obviously if you're running a smaller wheel, you can do bigger tires. But yeah, guys, super clean F80 build. I love this color. Yasmarina blue is so damn nice. I think he's gonna add the front lip. I believe he just got it back from the body shop, so I'm sure there's more parts that are gonna go on here.
Hours later.
I want to wrap my car this color now. Looks so good.
next day.
What's going on, guys? So it's been a full week since I've had the KW Has kit on my M2 competition, and I kind of want to just give you guys a little review on how I think they've been so far and what are my opinions on them. So let's go outside and check out the car and see how they look. So hopefully camera does justice, but as you guys can see, the front lowered a lot. The tires actually tucking in there. So first impressions on front fitment after the spring settling is I love it. This is exactly how I would want my ride height to look, whether I'd be on air suspension or even if I did full coilovers. But when it comes to the rear, fully settled, I'm not digging the way it looks. I think that the rear should have been able to settle a little more, but I just don't think that it goes wild with the front. The car kind of sits at an angle like this where I would kind of want it to sit flat. So yeah, I mean, this is what you get when you're doing any type of springs or even adjustable springs, now I know. But overall, the car has a way better stance. I don't know why BMW from factory doesn't make the M2 competition a little lower, but the way it comes factory is just a little too high. But now the car sits a lot more better. Honestly, 9 out of 10 happy. I'm just gonna be completely honest with you guys. I expect a little more from the KW Has kit, but it's not a true coilover. I'm aware of that. It's not air suspension where I can just dump it to however I want. I'm aware of that, guys. So, but the car overall looks a lot better. You know, it handles great. Your ride, your comfortability is really important, but the car looks really good. So I think this is gonna do for now, meaning maybe a week or two. I'm not too sure. I'm possibly thinking about bagging the car now. Just as time goes on, I'm really involved with shows, you know, it represents my company. So I want to look as crazy as it can. You know, I'm probably not gonna go wide body if that's what you guys are thinking, but possibly do air suspension, guys. So I'm not too sure. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should I do air suspension or not? I know probably 90% of you are gonna say no, it's M2 competition. You don't want to put air suspension on this car. It's meant for the track, but I don't know. So yeah, let me know what you guys think below. So let's talk a little bit about handling. I'll just keep walking around so you guys can see how the car sits. As far as handling, the car feels a lot more planted. I've driven it pretty hard since I've had the springs on. I've given them some time to settle in. I literally feel like I'm glued to the floor. So when it comes to handling, these things are day and night difference compared to stock suspension. It gets the job done. If you're looking just for a quick drop, you want to be able to adjust it a little bit and you want to improve your handling, the KW Has kit is definitely the way to go. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. It's gonna end today's video. I'm sorry I wasn't able to film the install as thoroughly as I wanted. The shop was really busy, you know, just a busy day. It was hot. I'm not gonna sit here and make a million excuses, but yeah, guys. So let me know what you guys think. This car is going to SEMA, guys. I'm gonna make a separate video talking about that, where the car will be at. What are the plans for SEMA? Am I gonna change the color and etc. and all that? Also, make sure to follow me on my other social medias like Instagram and stuff. I post on there more frequently and I give more updates and stuff on what's going on with the build. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.